suspected gun-wielding members of militia groups.
Leaders from Marsabit County have called on President Uhuru Kenyatta to address the deteriorating security situation in the county, which has claimed several lives.
While flagging down of peaceful activities in this town, County Commissioner Nairobi only urged residents to reveal initial information to the police if they come across suspicious activity.
creatures of the field are mine.
I really hope that you enjoyed watching that video. Just being able to share the story of Marsabit beyond the wars and the issues that have been there. If you are new here, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you never miss anything, and it actually goes a very long way in helping the channel to grow. For the guys in Marsabit, our hearts and prayers are with you even as you go through these tough times. I just want to give a special shout out to some of the guys that I met there, and they represent part of what community actually does when they come together. That is Gulu and Ali. They work at the park and they were some of the friendliest people. Actually, they're the people who gave us access to the dam, and they're the people who opened the sluice gates for us to see the water flowing and to create that waterfall effect. So big up to them. Big up also to Nasha, who lives in Marsabit. Thank you so much for being a follower in the channel, and I really appreciate it. So continue following Red Square Media even as we create new content for you. And if you like this kind of content, please just put it down in the comments. If you also don't like it, just put it down in the comments, and we'll definitely see how we're able to improve. So thank you again, and this is me, Eston, signing out. So have a great one, and see you in the next one.